every man that God has placed on this planet Earth was placed for a purpose. There is a grace that is in us. There is a grace that you and I carry. There is something in the inside of you that the world is looking for. There is something in the inside of you that can be of benefit to your society, to your church, to that place that you have found yourself. And sometimes you may look at yourself that you will say, small me, small you. There is something that the world is waiting for. So each and every one of us seated here today, we are on an assignment to our world. And you need to find out day after day, what is the purpose for which God has brought me here? And what is that gifting within me that I need to use in blessing my world? Hallelujah. When you come to that understanding, it makes it easy for you to live fully everywhere or anywhere you find yourself, using the grace of God to become a blessing to the environment you find yourself.